He helped with the post. Got bro Gus. Ua. Me, uka lahi ke keli e whanua lalo. Whakalofa to Macau. Mawhala. What's up peeps? Today, trying to sort out my fence. It's been on my mind for ages. I don't know if you guys have experienced that. You know you're meant to do something but you haven't done it. This has been probably months, weeks or months, years, who knows. But here's the fence here. That's the fence there that needs to be replaced. It's falling over. So finally, tau se pā, I think the word for fence is pā. Tau se aho nei, whakatau e tau concrete, mo e tau paling, mo e tau posts, mo e rails. I was meant to get my bro Adam, Tony Adams. It's been a while, but after going to Niue, got inspired by my uncle Dimitri. See if I could do it myself. So I've been feeling a bit hopoase, but what's the word, bit tupe, bit nervous because I've never done this before, and it's a bit of unknown waters. But luckily I had the help of my mate Joe at work. So the guy that I bought the timber off, that's Joe's friend, Timber World. Good guy, just met him and gave me a good deal. And Joe, the bro, my Cook Island brother, said he'll come and help. He's been just saying over the years he would help. And then my brother Hayden said he'll come over tonight and help me, just help too. So he gave me a few of his tools. So yeah, it's a bit of an experience. Whiwhi lahi au hoko e mga aho ki tause. The time has arrived. We've got to tackle this job. So watch, have a laugh. Hopefully the line is straight, eh? Whakahako e fence. Hopefully we can measure it up. But anyway, for now I'm gonna try and move all this stuff to the back. Move this, all these pails and these railings and posts and concrete. Might move the concrete to the garage just in case it rains. Okay, whakaoe tō whilawaia. Alright, ahua. Me and Hayden came and helped with those old fence. And now we've got Liam helping. He helped with the post. Got bro Gus doing the hard work with the posts. You got the palings. Me and Danielle moved this all yesterday. Got the post and the railings. Got Atu. Hey, Atu came to help. Thank you. Whakalofa to Macau, Mawhala. Ka ngā hoa au tau se fence. Hae tuku te ua e tau posts. Taha. Ua. Me, uka lahi ke keli e whanua lalo. Ka e long e tau concrete. Long e tau concrete. Ai e tau concrete. Long e tau tree roots. Mamahi ulu. Ka e uka lahi ke keli. Ke sia e concrete. Pese ni Aussie, so gotta keep going. Sub team, just updates on the fence. Got 2 posts going. Tau se mo neighbor haku. Yep, got 2 posts up, which is alright. Pretty stable. Just gotta put the other ones in, but taking our time because with the family life, work life, bloody, it's hard to get things done. But we're getting there, which is good. I've pulled apart the old fence, and some guy on Facebook how patu ke uta kehe. Sees a bit here, broke it down, so that's good. Hopefully it's not a catfish, not a momo hila hinali, not a time waster, because it's bloody hard getting all the old palings up to the driveway. It's gonna come at midday. But that's me. Hope you guys are well. Hopefully this fence is up before Christmas. But now all good. Mitaki e neighbor haku, whiwhia ke whelewea mo matitaki mo kauwhakarata ke tau se fence. So it's all good. Might go inside and make me a smoothie, This has been hard work. Alright, okay. To whelewea. So tau se smoothies haku. Got the banana tuki loto ki mua. Then I where's the mangoes at? Oh no. Might try some blueberries. Been having lots of mango lately, so there's the mango there from Pack and Save. And then throw in some milk. And then that's us. Need a bit of a energy booster, cause maha te e pinsini. Lole e whi loto oge no hoa, but we push through. Okay. Oh man. Lole. Whew, nice break. Smoothie, but it's like an ice cream. You know, doing the fence. Good experience, you know. Shout out to the DIYers out there that do the fence themselves, but maybe next time, if you can afford it, just pay someone to do it. It was getting a bit mamahi e ulu haku, but I think because me and the neighbor never used to talk, you know, it was always small talk, but now that we've been working on the fence together, I think the relationship's a bit better now. So that's one good thing. And we're working together on the fence, which is good. But yeah, maybe next time will be a bit more stress-free. You pay someone, you know, te tongi e whalu tangata ki tause si e tupe. But yeah, another thing coming up, my family might be going down to Invercargill during the Niue Language Week to do some stuff down there, which is exciting. Unfortunately, o hake o mo manga whao haku ki Niue, the Pula Whakamotu week. But so I'm a bit sad that I can't come down to Invercargill to help out, teach about how Niue and spread the word. But it's good my family's going down. So that's pretty cool. Another thing is Tina O'Halloran. I don't know if it's out there, but you might be hearing it here first, that she's releasing a book to help teach the Wangahau Niue. She's been a teacher for years, and you know, she has a good way of teaching Wangahau Niue. So that's going to be an awesome book for people to get. I think maybe 600 copies or a couple of hundred copies free for the people that want to learn. Just a good base to get you started, and get you going. So that's good news. Shout out to Tina. Because Wangahau Niue, it's getting there. People are getting more hooked. People want to learn. So hopefully it follows the similar path as the Māori. I think their language, you know, they went down and now they're having a revival. So all good. What else coming up for Niue? Yeah, that's all for now. Plus my family, my Lomo family, we're having a family reunion in Niue next year in April. So that's exciting too. We're going to be celebrating in Hakupu. We're taking it there to celebrate with our Auntie Lea Lofi, who's the last child of Lomoa, who's still alive. So she's in Niue. We're looking forward to that. Lots of planning. My brother, he's the Taki. He's the leader of the Lomo family, so he's leading everything, which is cool. And it's exciting. You know, we're planning. It's a bit of the unknown because it's the 4th generation now running the community. We still have Auntie Moka and Auntie Uso, Eliza, Maureen, Petunia, and Juanita, but they're the 2nd generation. Now it's the 3rd generation, sorry, taking over. So there's just a bit of learning as we go, and you know, a bit of a new style of running things. So it's good. This is the first reunion we've had in a while. It's been a couple of years. COVID and everything just, you know, made things more difficult, but the reunion's going to happen April next year, Easter weekend, which can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So we'll watch out for that video too. Also, so I'm going to Niue in October for the Pule Whakamotu. There'll be a video coming out, and then also I'm going whanau ki Pali ke celebrate aho whanau Sister Hako. 5 e tau. So yeah, lots of exciting things happening. Okay, if you're listening this far, whakolahi ki manuina, ua nimo ke leveki e manga whaoa, leveki e sino, e manga hau niue. Haia, koe kia!